Hello and welcome to PCMINR.com, and you're watching this video to understand how to differentiate using the sum rule. So let's start. So here a question says, if y is equal to square root of x upon a plus square root of a by x, then prove that 2xy into dy by dx is equal to x upon a minus a upon x. So we will straight away start with the normal sum rule. And that is that if you want to find out dy by dx, so just start differentiating, and on the left hand side when you apply the sum rule, so you have to differentiate these two terms separately. Now here a is a constant which cannot be differentiated, so I would take out 1 upon root a outside, and derivative of, you have to find the ddx of x raised to the power 1 by 2 plus root a in the numerator outside, and ddx of 1 upon root x means I'll write it as x raised to the power minus 1 by 2. So what do we get here? 1 upon root a as it is outside. Derivative of x raised to the power 1 by 2 is 1 upon 2 x raised to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 would give me x raised to the power minus 1 by 2 plus square root of a, x raised to the power minus 1 by 2, so you would have minus 1 upon 2 and x raised to the power minus 1 by 2 minus 1, so it's minus 3 by 2. So we'll just rearrange the terms properly. We would write as 1 upon 2 root a into root x, right, and minus root a upon 2 into x root x, right. Now as per my requirement of the question, I need 2 into x. I need to take this on the other side, so I'll take out 2x common from this side. So I'll take out 1 upon 2x. Now you must be thinking we don't have x here, we have root x. So we can multiply with root x in order to get that. Multiply and divide this with root x. So you would get x common. So root x upon root a, and minus here you would be left with root a upon root x. Now this which I've taken out common, I'll take it to the left hand side. So what do we get? We get 2x times dy by dx is equal to root of x upon root of a minus root of a upon root of x. Now as is clear from this equation that on the right hand side we have x upon a minus a upon x. So the roots are gone. That means we need to do some squaring. So if we multiply this with the same thing, I mean a kind of rationalizing thing. So we have root x by root a and multiply this with root x by root a plus root a by root x, and on the both the sides. So then what do we get? So multiplying both sides by square root of x by a plus square root of a by x, what do we get? Now this is nothing but y that is originally given to us. So on the left hand side we get 2xy into dy by dx. Just to understand, there's no confusion about it. How do we know what to multiply? See, because our question demands 2x into y. How can we bring y? It's root of x by a plus root of a by x. Multiply on both the sides, our equation is done, because we get 2xy dy by dx on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you would get a term which is which will use an identity, because we have root of x minus a minus root of a by x, and when you multiply this with square root of x by a plus root of a by x, you have a minus b into a plus b, which gives you a square minus b square. So you get x upon a minus a upon x. So that is equal to the right hand side. So we have proved it. I hope you understood how to apply the sum rule for differentiation, and then just use at your discretion from the question itself. So we need to take 2x to the other side, we need to multiply with y on both the sides, and we get the answer. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like us, subscribe us, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook at PCMINR.com. Thank you for watching.